Hello everybody, my name is Mike Ferrari. I am the co-founder of SmartyPig. SmartyPig is the leader in Banking 2.0, and we are redefining how consumers interact with their financial services companies, and more importantly, how people save and spend wisely. Today we're announcing some very, very exciting new features here. I'm going to be demoing them for you. It's social features that simply don't exist anywhere in any banking institution anywhere, so we're really excited about that. So what is SmartyPig? For those of you that may not know, SmartyPig is like an online piggy bank, right? It helps you save for very, very specific goals. It's a car, it's a vacation, it's a home remodeling, it's a wedding. It really can be virtually anything. So I think the easiest way really for you to see how it works is I'm just going to simply log into my account. So SmartyPig launched in April of 2008, actually at Finovate. And since then, we've taken in a little over $250 million in US deposits. We've also launched in Australia as well. All of that with $0 in advertising. So we're pretty happy about our approach to viral networking with our consumers. So what makes SmartyPig popular? There's really three things, right? We have a very competitive interest rate, one of the most competitive interest rates in the country. We have a really powerful redemption element where people can actually transfer their goals to a gift card, and you can get cash boosts of up to 6%. And finally, you can share your goals with friends and family. So as you can see right here, this is my dashboard. And you can see all the different goals that I'm saving for. I've got a goal for my son Charlie, a goal for my son Henry. I'm saving up for some plane tickets, a trip to Italy. I've actually reached my family IMAC goal. You know, adding a new goal to SmartyPig is really easy. You simply have to tell SmartyPig what you're saving for, what category it fits into, the financial goal, when you want to meet it, and SmartyPig calculates your monthly contribution that will be withdrawn from your existing checking account or your savings account on the date that you specify. So literally, once you set it up, it just runs. I mean, it's really literally that simple. So let's go back into my savings account. I did want to mention really quick the redemption model. So if we click on my family iMac computer, I just quickly wanted to show you the different redemption pieces that we have on SmartyPig. Here you can see that we offer a few different options to get your funds out. The first option is a retail gift card option. I mentioned that a little bit earlier. You know, I could really buy this computer on Overstock. Overstock gives a 6% cash boost. So we give our customers, you can see on this particular transaction, an additional almost $200. You can simply transfer your money back to your bank, and we also offer a SmartyPig debit card. Over the next 4 months, we're going to be revamping and enhancing our redemption program quite significantly. So the piece that I really wanted to talk about is this sharing feature. And what it does is it allows you to connect your SmartyPig goals to your Twitter account as well as to your Facebook account. And the really cool part about of this is that, you know, many of the transactions that are occurring on SmartyPig are happening without you even being logged into SmartyPig, right? Like if you set up a monthly recurring contribution on the 5th of the month, SmartyPig grabs that money. So once you actually connect your Twitter or Facebook account to SmartyPig, anytime you add funds to your goal, SmartyPig is going to send out a tweet or a post on your behalf. And you can kind of see what that looks like right here. I just added money to my trip to Italy goal on SmartyPig, hashtag SmartyPig goal. So connecting is incredibly simple. Just click the connect to Twitter button. At that point, you know, you're on Twitter. We're using Twitter OAuth and Facebook Connect. You simply allow access. Once you've allowed access, you're redirected back to the application. And then you can select the goals, your goals, that you would like SmartyPig to tweet or post on your behalf. And one of the other really nice features is that, so I'm just going to select all of them because I'm like that. You can also include a bit.ly link to your public SmartyPig page, your sharing page. And for those of you that don't know, SmartyPig is one of the only institutions that allow you to actually contribute to your interest-bearing sharing goals, or your interest-bearing goals. So you can start to see the viral nature of this, right? You're tweeting about your trip to your vacation, and all of a sudden people can actually go and see your progress. Mom or dad can actually contribute. Very, very powerful from a social networking perspective. So I'm going to go ahead and enable all this stuff. And I'll go ahead and save my changes. And then I'm going to actually go back and, Twitter's already, or Facebook's already been connected, but again, very same procedure. You can see that the posts are a little bit different on Facebook. We can get a little crazy with graphics and things of that nature. So now I'm going to go back to my savings account, and I'm going to add some money to my trip to Italy goal, which is severely underdetermined. I certainly don't have enough. My goal is certainly not high enough. So I'll go ahead and add money to this goal. And I'm going to go ahead and add maybe, let's go ahead and add 25 bucks. So $25, I go ahead and choose my funding source, my Wells Fargo checking account. I'll go ahead and add this money to the goal. At this point, I will then go back over to my Facebook page, and you're going to see what that post looks like. I just added money to my goal on SmartyPig. It gives a link to my trip to Italy, shows my progress. I can very easily, my friends can see that post. They can comment on that post. They can give me encouragement of my savings. People can, quickly switch over to that. The same thing with Twitter. Twitter, I just added money to my trip to Italy goal on SmartyPig. There's a bit.ly link to my sharing page. So really, really cool stuff. The hashtag I think is going to be really great for people to get inspiration. They can search on SmartyPig goal and they can see what everybody's saving for. About is our new widget program. We've had widgets in the past, but we really have heard from customers that they wanted to customize their widget. As you know, widget you can post, at least our widget, you can post up to over 30 social networking destinations. So basically it allows you to customize your widget. I actually have one saved, so in the interest of time, I'm seeing my time tick down. This is my widget that I'm actually posting on Facebook. But you can see that you can choose from all your different goals. You have all these different selections. It rotates every 8 seconds. It's really cool. And literally, it lets people know exactly what you're saving for. And if I switch back to my Facebook page, you can see my widget is activated here. So that's what I wanted to talk about. As you can see, we're really trying to leverage as much as possible the Web 2.0 space, making savings social. We're attracting a new generation of savers, and ultimately for our banking customers, new deposits in an entirely new way. Thank you.